guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited because in about 48 hours or less, I'm going to Hawaii. So good. So today and tomorrow is the pack and prep. I'm running a little late, but I have a manicure and pedicure right now, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, you ready? Nail reveal. So pretty, like a light pink, pinky orange peach. Ruby says hi. I ended up getting the OPI shade You've Got Nada on me, on my nails and my toes. It's gel. I'm really happy with it. I am kind of pale, and I was trying to find something that would like look good with what I'm wearing. So it was like hard because I wanted to do a color, but like if I went fully neon, like it was just like hard. I kind of wanted to do like an orangey shade. Also, I'm barefaced right now, so you can get like a full view. I ended up getting my eyebrows threaded a few days ago at a new place near, actually it's like next to the Domain. And normally I go to this place that's like, it's the best place I've been to is in my hometown mall. And it's kind of a strange, just like hole in the wall, so good. I've gone there since middle school and just got threading done because like if I get waxing, like it makes me really break out like here. So I liked that place a lot. And then the place that I have enjoyed the most, this is the third place I've tried in Austin, but the place I like is next to the Target in like on UT's campus. Like there's like a little place and it's just like really convenient. But I got them threaded and I'm trying to decide if I need to just go longer to kind of like and then maintain them myself. I don't know, because some people do like 6 months without getting their eyebrows done, but I don't know if that's because they're blonde and they can go longer. But I don't want to overdo them, and if I could wait longer, that would be nice because I'd save a lot of money. But that's status. Ruby. But yeah, I'm gonna pack at some point today. Ruby's garden. There must be a car outside. The packing is commencing. It's a disaster. So I've kind of just like laid everything out to sort through. These are my nice dresses I'm for sure taking for dinner. I have one more that my mom wants to iron. So everything else is kind of just like that over there. Like there's cover-ups, there's nice clothes I'm probably not gonna take, swimsuits, athletic clothes, all the fun things. I'm gonna try to use packing cubes. But starting with my nice dresses first, I think that might be the easiest thing to do. And they're all really long. So I don't know how I should fold these. So lie it down.
Fold the sleeves in. Okay. In half.
This is some retail.
Fold it in. Fold it in.
That one's good. That one's a clean part. Okay, so my mom folded these for me, as you guys saw. She said she didn't want me to smush them because she had ironed them. And then I have some athletic shorts, like 3 pairs and a little baby tee for workouts. I have like 2 sets of pajamas, some like pajama shorts, like lounge. Here's part of my hike fit. Just like leggings, a Lulu Swiftly, and then I think I'm gonna bring a long sleeve Swiftly just in case it's cold. And then there's a plain outfit home and then another sweat set over there. I'm so sad. My cashmere sweater has a stain on it, so I need to get dry cleaned. And I still need to figure out this section over here. I'm not taking. Those are possible cover-ups. So I think I'm gonna put like these things in packing cubes now. But I'm feeling very overwhelmed. So I don't even know what to do in terms of like makeup. I definitely need to like limit some of this down. Not enjoyable. you'll see like these. I'm taking out some of my products. Try to make room. I've reduced all my cosmetics into these. Like this is hair, makeup, skin. I might take my Dyson. My mom's taking hers too. I might take my Dyson. My mom's taking hers too, but I'm not sure if it fits. I'll take it out. This stuff I'm not taking is just like, I'm also packing for college to go home from Christmas break, so kind of overwhelmed. Here's my suitcase that I'm gonna drop off at my apartment tomorrow. It's like stuff I'm taking back, putting those in last. My Hawaii, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I wanna wear that on the plane day after tomorrow, but we're spending the night at the airport hotel because we're taking off like at like 6 a.m. Like our flight leaves, so that's kind of like what I have to figure out. I'm gonna probably throw that on the very top of my suitcase. I'm not sure about my hairdryer. And then I need to put all of this in my cosmetic bag in here in the morning. But doing pretty good. Like swimsuits, rain jackets, 2 of the packing cubes. That's like cover-ups, and with a little scarf like cashmere in there. Sweats, athletic clothes. All I have are like my PJs. I need to put my like undies and stuff. And socks in there. Dresses. So yeah, that's kind of the situation. I just bought 2 books for my Kindle. I'm trying to download them. And then maybe I can't get like Netflix to download because this is like my iPad for school. I might get like a movie to like watch on the plane, but I don't know what to watch. Like, I'm not really that into TV right now, so we'll see. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. I just ate breakfast, so I'm freezing. But today I need a self-tan. Like, look at my face, guys. Literally, and also like my nails are like peach. I'm so pale. I've already like showered this morning. I was just like letting my skin dry so the tan would go on better. I am kind of nervous because I've never tanned for like a week of it. Normally it's like I just need my tan to look good for 1 or 2 nights. Usually just like one day. So we'll see how this goes. I think when I stop at my apartment, I have like a mini sugar scrub situation. I'm gonna grab that to pack with me just in case like I need to use it to remove my tan while I'm on my trip. But I really don't want to tan because I'm cold. But hopefully when I come back, I won't be that pale. So the tan I'm using, it's like 1 hour express, but it recommends leaving from 2 to 4 hours. And I think I'm gonna do 3. That's what I did in the past, plus that's kind of the timeline I have today. That's what it, like, you can't really tell. I need to go blend my neck, but we're starting the countdown. It's not like dark yet, it's not that tinted, but I use Tanologist, so yeah. We're all packed up. This is just like my stuff I'm taking back to my apartment this evening, and then I put all my other stuff in my dad's car. Okay, tan reveal. We're in Austin. I just showered and we're gonna go to dinner and then go check into the airport hotel tonight. But I need to blow dry my hair, but I don't have my Dyson, so, or like another blow dryer because that's what I use, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're in the airport hotel right now. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm like wearing these, I'm gonna put on pajama shorts, I think, but I'm wearing these sweatpants again tomorrow, so don't judge. It's my skincare. I'm really sad because I got a new makeup product today from Ulta, and I'm gonna have to return it because it's like this bronzer and it's just so red, and I think it's because like it would look good, and I've been like, it's giving me anxiety about keeping it, so I need to return it for a different shade. Because it's like my skin, I have rosacea, and so then I wanted to use it without foundation, and I like can't because it just like blends with my rosacea, and it's like if I can, like I just don't, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. It's pulling really red, like outside of the store and like natural lighting. So I got it for this trip, so I was excited about. So bye, I'll see y'all in Hawaii.